Osaka, Japan's culinary capital, is renowned for its vibrant street food culture. The Dotonbori district, illuminated by neon signs like the iconic Glico Man, is a hub of energy where food stalls serve up delicious, affordable treats. Among these, okonomiyaki and takoyaki stand out as Osaka's soul food, embodying the city's love for hearty, flavorful dishes. This video explores their history, preparation, and cultural significance. Okonomiyaki, often called Osaka's soul food, is a savory pancake that reflects the city's culinary creativity. Made with a batter of flour, eggs, and dashi, it's packed with cabbage, pork, seafood, and topped with sweet savory sauce, mayo, and bonito flakes. The name translates to grilled as you like it, highlighting its customizable nature. This dish is a testament to Osaka's resourcefulness and love for communal dining. The magic of okonomiyaki lies in its simple yet flavorful ingredients. Fresh cabbage provides crunch, while the batter, enriched with dashi, adds umami depth. Thinly sliced pork or seafood offers protein, and toppings like bonito flakes dance in the heat. These ingredients, affordable and versatile, reflect Osaka's post-2 ingenuity, turning scarcity into culinary delight. In Osaka, cooking okonomiyaki is often a hands-on experience. At teppan tables, diners mix batter, layer ingredients, and flip their creations with spatulas, guided by chefs. This interactive style fosters camaraderie, embodying Osaka's convivial food culture. The sizzle and aroma of the griddle add to the excitement, making every meal memorable. Okonomiyaki varies across Japan. Osaka-style mixes all ingredients into the batter, creating a cohesive pancake. Hiroshima-style layers ingredients separately, adding yakisoba noodles for extra heft. Both are delicious, but Osaka's version is quicker and more interactive, reflecting the city's fast-paced, social dining culture. Takoyaki, Osaka's iconic street snack, are bite-sized balls of batter filled with tender octopus. Cooked in special round molds, they're crispy outside and molten inside. Brushed with tangy sauce, mayo, and sprinkled with bonito flakes, takoyaki are a must-try in Osaka, embodying the city's love for quick, flavorful bites. Crafting perfect takoyaki requires skill. Chefs use skewers to rotate the balls in their molds, ensuring even cooking and a spherical shape. The key is timing. Too soon, and they fall apart. Too late, and they burn. This precision transforms simple batter into golden, crispy delights, a testament to Osaka's street food mastery. Takoyaki's toppings add layers of flavor. Classic versions feature takoyaki sauce, mayo, bonito flakes, and seaweed, but modern twists include cheese, kimchi, or spicy cod roe. This versatility makes takoyaki a canvas for creativity, appealing to both traditionalists and adventurous eaters in Osaka's dynamic food scene. Osaka's street food vendors operate with remarkable efficiency. At peak hours, they juggle multiple takoyaki molds, flipping dozens of balls simultaneously. This high-volume cooking, done with practiced ease, ensures quick service without sacrificing quality. It's a dance of precision and speed, mirroring Osaka's energetic spirit. In Osaka, food is meant to be shared. Groups gather around teppan tables, cooking okonomiyaki together, or pass plates of takoyaki while chatting. This communal dining reflects the city's warmth and hospitality, where meals are as much about connection as they are about flavor. Osaka's street food thrives after dark. Neon-lit stalls serve okonomiyaki and takoyaki to night owls, from locals to tourists. This late-night culture, where food is available until the early hours, embodies Osaka's motto, "Kuidaura," eat until you drop. It's a celebration of indulgence and resilience. Osaka's konomon dishes continue to evolve. Trendy stalls offer okonomiyaki with cheese or kimchi, and vegan takoyaki made with plant-based ingredients. These innovations attract younger crowds while honoring traditional flavors, showcasing Osaka's ability to blend the old with the new. At Osaka's festivals, okonomiyaki and takoyaki take center stage. Stalls line the streets, serving these beloved dishes to festival goers. The lively atmosphere, with music and dancing, enhances the joy of eating, making konomon a staple of celebration in Osaka's cultural calendar. Visitors to Osaka can learn to make okonomiyaki and takoyaki in hands-on classes. Guided by local chefs, they master the techniques behind these dishes, gaining a deeper appreciation for Osaka's food culture. These classes are a bridge between travelers and the city's culinary heritage. Okonomiyaki and takoyaki are more than just food. They're the soul of Osaka. From humble post-war staples to global icons, these dishes embody the city's resilience, creativity, and warmth. Whether at a street stall or a festival, they bring people together, making every bite a taste of Osaka's spirit.